Hi, I'm Justin Rupert with RenewAire's Technical Sales Support Team. Are you looking for a low-cost DOAS with up to 1,000 CFM and fits into a small space? Introducing our new HE+DX Coil accessory, a cooling coil for split or VRF systems. This coil module and ERV combination allows our HE07 and HE10 ERVs to function as small and competitively priced DOAS units. When you design a project with our CORS software, instead of piecemealing these systems together, CORS provides a fully integrated solution to downsize equipment and reduce the loads. Our coils are designed to be compatible with all major VRF manufacturers and to meet their VRF system specifications. Since our HE07 and HE10 units have some of the industry's shortest lead times, our HE+DX coil allows for faster delivery and project installations. On top of that, these HE models are more compact than traditional DOAS units. Pairing these units with our modular HE+DX coils creates a space-saving solution. The HE+DX coil is available to order at cors.renewAire.com.